thumbs up this video. It's about hiccups, but thumbs up the video anyway. And you guys are gonna get like just me talking to you all. Okay, you guys, we need to talk, because I know you all, half of my audience likes my hiccups, and the other half likes bag and stuff. So I really feel like I'm going to have to make a change on my channel. So I know I'm gonna have to make a change on my channel. I know I have to make a change on my channel because not everybody wants the hiccups. So I think I'm gonna put hiccups on a different channel for you guys. I know I'm gonna do that. And I'm going to move all of my hiccups videos to the other channel so that I can appease everybody. So that's what I was thinking, and you guys tell me your thoughts about that, because I'm really just trying to grow my audience, and I think the algorithm and my channel audience gets confused when I just put out hiccups videos, but it's really just me wanting to have fun, and it's my channel. And weird because even though it is my channel, it's still my audience that I'm growing a community around. And if I had more people in my audience who liked hiccups, then maybe I'd be putting hiccups on my channel. But I think it's just a split. So we'll have to see. We'll have to all see if we can live together, I guess, as one family. But what I'll say is, if you don't like hiccups, then that's no problem. Still thumbs up the video, right? Maybe I should have started there. Thumbs up this video. It's about hiccups, but thumbs up the video anyway. And click off now if you're not into that, you know, to help me grow, right? Help me grow, guys. So and if you're into my hiccups but you're not into my bags videos, click anyway and help me grow. Okay, you guys can still help me grow, especially because it would be easier for me to keep all the videos on one channel. My hiccups are random, so I wasn't even dressed when I got them today, but I said, okay, note to self, right? Some of you came and found me on Instagram, and obviously you know where I am on my YouTube channel, so you came and found me and you've been making the request, and I've got it for you. Here it is. But I have my own requests. I have my own requests. I need you guys to help me grow my channel so that when I give you the hiccups, right? If I don't give you the hiccups, but when you get the hiccups and you help grow the channel, and then other people come for the other stuff, and then you come and get the hiccups, we are all growing together. We are all doing this thing. So help a sister out. Help your girl out. Help her out. Help us. Help me. Help you. That's what this message is all about today. And I hope you're enjoying the peaceful ambiance and the sun glaring and the beautiful nature all around us. We got to make the best of what we got. So this is what you got. This is what we have together, and let's make it work. Let's make it work together. So this is like a real raw video today that you're getting, but oh my gosh, this is like a real raw video you're getting today, but these things were on my mind. So it's so because these things were on my mind, my friends, okay, I felt like it was the right time to share it, just to unload the realness, unload the rawness. So you have it here. And I don't know when these hiccups are going to end, so I'm literally just recording for you right now at this point. And I had literally am like, when are you going to end? Because we got work to do. And as you can see, I got to finish getting ready, and I can't be running around trying to get ready in the house anymore when I had to sit down and make this message for all of you. So I mean, when I tell you hiccups are inconvenient to record, truly inconvenient. But I think you've got a good 6 minutes out of me today. Okay? I hope this lasts. I hope this one lasts for you. So I feel like that echo was heard around the world, that last one. Okay? So yeah, thank God it's a nice day outside. Just me and my hiccups and all of you. Thank God it's a nice day. Oh. Talking and having the hiccups is exhausting. Talking and having the hiccups and talking and trying to have like a conversation with all of you is exhausting. Wondering, looking around, thanking God it's only me out here who can hear them, and all of you. So this is I hope you're gonna enjoy your day today. I hope you all enjoy your lives. I hope we're all living our lives out here. I guess I'll talk about the next topic that's on my mind while I wait for my hiccups to end. That's mental health. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. Obviously, laughing is a part of mental health for me. And I think the more we laugh, the happier we are, the more we are closer to God and can hear our purpose, like what we're meant to do. And I don't know who was meant to hear that message right now, because these hiccups are over, I think. But thanks so much for listening if you're with me to the end, and until the next time, I hope you like and subscribe by now.